Hello, everybody. I am so pleased to bring this to you. 20 niched digital products. Niched being the key word. So, welcome back. It's Ali, your content coach, helping you to turn your knowledge into a profitable online business. So today I'm diving into one of my favorite topics, which is of course niched educational products. So whether you are a coach, a creator, an entrepreneur, offering digital products in a specific niche, educational digital products can be your ticket to generating passive income, creating impact, and of course scaling your business to multiple figures every single month, so you can quit the 9 to 5 or just build income if you don't have any. But what exactly are digital products? Well, they can be a whole load of things, and we are going to be going through them in this video. I'm going to be breaking down how to find the right niche and everything like that. But in case you need a head start, I just want to point out I have a handy little business startup bundle. It is often on sale, and as you can see, it has nothing but glowing 5-star reviews, and it's going to take you through the 12 main parts of starting your online business in the niche domain. So when people think lots about niche, they are left with a great big blank space like this, or they spend their time scrolling forever on the internet, on their phones, trying to work out what is best for them. After they've done that, they will spend endless time scrolling YouTube videos, probably like you're doing right now watching this, trying to work out what is the best niche for you, what is a market that is not saturated, and how can you start making money. So let me help you out with 20 niches, starting with number 1. And I started one of my international brands with this. It is the international niche, because you can do this for anything, and it is printables. Now, lots of people think that printables are just things for kids, which of course they can be, and indeed that's exactly how I started one of my brands, was just by doing educational printables. But today I want to talk to you about something where we're going to be taking this one step further, because of course we need to go that a little bit further down the rabbit hole if we want to find something that has really not been done before, because that's how we stand to spend the most amount of money, make the most amount of money. And of course it is in the printable journals for niche hobbies. But guess what? You're going to sell this as a digital product, but it's going to be printable. So people love to do this. As you can see, people love their journaling, whether it's for well-being, whether it's just to reinforce what they're doing in their hobby. Everybody loves printables and everybody loves journaling. Just think of the different things that you have done before in your life. This is a winner. Every single business and brand should have some kind of a printable journal. But let's go into a couple of hobbies where it hasn't really been done. Bird watching, urban gardening, or brewing homemade kombucha. I hope I said that right. Anyway, guys, make it wild, make it yours. Let's go on to the second niche. So niche number 2 is about detox. Now, not necessarily food detox, right? This could also be a downloadable guide, activities for people to look in to reduce screen time, and of course, reconnect with offline experiences. This is really big. Parents are going to want this. Professionals are going to want this. People who suffer with addiction. We're coming up to Christmas right now. So maybe you could be doing some kind of plan, downloadable guide to help people get on top of whatever it is they are struggling with or might struggle with around certain festivities. And of course, anything in the health and well-being niche is always a winner. So number 3 is the pet wellness. Pet wellness is pretty much overlooked, I think. Everybody just thinks of making cute little dog beds, which I'm not going to lie, are very nice. But a really successful niche is in the well-being niche, because vets are expensive, right? So if you can help pet owners stay on top of their own health, their own pet's wellness, it's likely they're going to be taking less trips to the vet. Also, they need to stay organized. So digital templates or apps for tracking pet health, grooming schedules, dietary plans tailored to specific animals or breeds, vaccination trackers, all of this good stuff. It is going to be a winner. People who love their pets will buy this. Niche number 4. Custom digital planners aligned with astrological signs or lunar cycles, combining productivity with cosmic insight. So astrological themed planners that go that little bit further. Where is a little bit further it's going? It's helping people become productive. So not just letting people know, what is your astrological sign? When is the moon in your sign? All of that stuff. No. When are you going to be the most productive? That is the selling point. Okay, niche number 5, homeschooling. Hello. And don't think that all parents that homeschool want to be doing all the prep for this either. Can you imagine having 4 children that you homeschool? The parents would just be doing lesson plans all day long. So this is definitely a place where you could make some money online, especially if you make it niche. Now, one of my brands is in education, as you know. I'll give you a tip. Take a subject that's really boring or a subject that most kids and parents avoid and make it really exciting, and it will be a winner all day long. Example, history lessons. Nobody really likes history at school. History lessons, you could turn that into fantasy book lovers. STEM activities are always a winner for children interested in perhaps video game design. You could take it one step further. So if you are loving this by this point, let's carry on working together, create something great, show me some love, share this out to all of your friends, and let's get on to niche number 7. So niche number 7 is, of course, in the mindfulness niche. This is, everybody can make money from this niche, really, because everybody needs help with mindfulness today. And most people have undergone something in their life, a trauma, a tragedy, something like that. Well-being, mental health, all really good things. But most people just do not know what to do to look after their mindfulness. So there is so much that could be done here. Digital adult coloring books tailored to professionals in specific fields such as nurses, teachers, tech workers, anything that is highly stressful, any professional job that is highly stressful will be an absolute winner. Niche number 8, virtual escape rooms. Now, we are only just getting started on this in the UK. The US are all over this. So designing digital escape room experiences that people can download and play at home with friends or family, tailored to specific interests, horror, historical events, sci-fi themes. You can even go one step further and turn this into a massive business where you're actually like the game master of the virtual escape room. So you're the person behind the camera and they are all logging in to play the game online with you, but in real time from all over the world. That would be absolutely crazy. All right, niche number 9, virtual wedding planning toolkits. Oh my gosh, this is such a winner. I would hate to plan a wedding. I would not even know where to start. So digital toolkits for planning niched weddings, because niched weddings are a thing. Sustainable eco weddings, elopements, themed destination weddings, Viking weddings, all fairy weddings. Believe me, trust me. Adults are going all out, especially people who have got a lot of disposable income. They are really into having these really alternative weddings instead of big like fancy plush expensive weddings. All right, niche number 10. This is a very, very, very powerful niche, and it is well sought after. It is none other than the mental health niche. But guess what? So many people are doing mental health. So how about the mental health recovery niche, right? So that is going slightly into well-being as well. Lots of people have been through things in their life and come out the other side. You do not have to be a mental health expert to do this. You can create lots of downloadable guides, checklists, planners, ebook, personal story, all sorts of things. Okay, guys, so if you love that and you'd like 10 more digital product niches, make sure you go along to digiteachonline.com and just register for it, and we will send it straight to you. I hope you love this, guys, and carry on the good work. Speak to you soon.